had done the augmentation program, and the augmentation program was taken by Gargi ma'am, and it was really fun. Like Gargi ma'am is like a charming person, and she always make us laugh. And we had done many activities, and like we don't even feel that we are doing the activity. We just enjoy the activity so lot. So next time I just want to Gargi ma'am to come again and take her training. Okay, so please thanks to Nature Nurture and thanks to Gargi ma'am that we had attended the augmentation program. And we had learned about collaborative learning, and about the one activity is that is Devil in Us. So, and the most interesting activity was entry ticket, in which that was a warm up activity, like that in the morning we just get refreshed by doing this activity. So thanks to Gargi ma'am and thanks to Nature Nurture, and thank you.
Myself, Seema Datta, senior teacher of pre-nursery strawberry section from Kerala branch. It was a great experience of this augmentation. We have learned a lot of many things from this, like we have to work in teamwork. We have to know, we are able to get to know that we have all a evil side and a good side, angel side in us. So we have to just develop the good side and just grab the things that are positive in us and in others also, and become a good teacher so that we can do better education to the children. Thank you.
The session is very useful for us. The Gargi ma'am is so humble. She is treat like a friend, and we involve in activity. First is warm up. We start with warm up to exit and entry ticket. Next one is travel and angels, and we involve in these activities. Next one is demonstrations, and we learn about how we teach in class confidently. The session is very good, and next time we are more prepared to how we communicate, how we be confident.
Good evening, my name is Pooja. I'm educator of class 2, and today's session was really good and we really enjoyed it. Especially from my part, like I really enjoyed the entry ticket part and the angel and the devil inside me. Gargi ma'am and Alka ma'am really made us very active in this activity, and they really made us enjoy the full day, and it was really helpful, and it was very innovative, and it was very interesting. So kudos to them, and special thanks to the Nature Nurture team. Thank you.
Alka ma'am and Gargi ma'am help us a lot. We enjoy their training session, and we learn a lot of things that we uses in our classes with our learners. Thank you.
I am Kunika, class teacher of nursery. Today's section was conducted by Alka ma'am and Gargi ma'am, and it was so fruitful. I have learned so many things new. We have done new activities today, angel and devil, and we today's play and activity, entry ticket also, and I enjoyed the session a lot today.
Good afternoon. Today we have a augmentation training of Unit 3 with Gargi ma'am and Alka ma'am. Today we have learned very good things in this, like devil and angel demonstrations, plus teamwork, and the demo, and we have done the demo of activities which will be done in the Unit 3. So it gave us a very good insight how to take the classes for the Unit 3. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Pan, and I'm grade 1 teacher from Puffins, a play and international school. Today I attend the augmentation program with NRRP, Miss Alka ma'am and Miss Gargi ma'am. The program was fabulous. We did entry with the entry ticket activity, and after that we go with the activity the angel and the devil in me. In this activity we will get to know about 3 types of persons in ourselves, that is id, ego and super ego personalities we have. After that we did the activity, are we on the same page? This activity was the collaboration activity, and we did it with the fun. After that we go through demonstrations, and we go through the I Spy activity. I enjoyed I Spy activity the most because it gives us lot of things to learn from Miss Alka ma'am, and it was a wonderful activity. It gives us various methods and different methodologies to conduct our classes smoothly. After that, we did the we are the experts, where we give our demonstrations. After that, we ask queries to the teachers, to the NNRPs, and it was a fabulous session for me. Thank you so much for giving me such a precious knowledge. Thank you.